Hey, it's Rob with INYOPools.com. Today we're going to show you how to test the cable on a Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner. In a previous video we tested a power supply, so if you want to check that one out, we'll link in the description. But the purpose of this is if you plug in your Dolphin, you turn the power supply on, nothing happens. These are the simple things you can check to eliminate what's wrong with the cleaner. So we check the power supply, that's good. So the next step is testing the cable. So let's get started. All right, the only tools you'll need for this test is a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a pair of channel locks. Today we're working on a Dolphin Explorer E20. If you have a different model, the steps may be slightly different, but they're all going to be generally the same. So with that, go ahead and open this up, remove the cartridge. And then on this model, to get access to the cable, we have to remove these two screws. And once the screws are removed, you can slide this piece out. Alright, so now that that piece is out of the way, you can see the cable going into that piece. And that's a nut that needs to be loosened. Sometimes you can do it by hand, but you might need the channel locks to loosen that up a little bit. So we're going to loosen that up and slide it, and then we'll pull the cable out. Alright, now we're going to loosen this nut. Once that's loosened, we can pull the cable out. That's what we need access to. This is where we're going to put the leads to our multimeter. Alright, the voltage that we're going to be checking for is 29 volts DC on the output. So look at the back of your power supply, it's going to tell you the voltage output of this. So it's saying the output's 29 volts, that should travel through your cable, and when we test it at the end, it should say 29 volts DC. Alright, you can go ahead and set your multimeter and change that to DC voltage, which has the solid line and the dotted line underneath. So I can switch it here, and this is ready to test. Alright, so you can see where I've got my leads connected onto the cable there. And then what we're going to do is turn the power on at the power supply and check our multimeter. Alright, so got the power on. And there we go. 29 volts. So if you're not getting 29 volts through the cable, it's a good sign that the cable is bad. This particular cable doesn't have a swivel, but some cables do. And a common issue could be that the connection there at the swivel is bad. So you can undo the swivel and test it before and after the swivel, and that'll tell you if maybe it's just that last bit between the swivel and the motor that needs to be replaced. And that's all it takes to test a Dolphin cable. So if you're testing your power supply, it's good. Test your cable, it's good. Getting 29 volts all the way through. It's possible that if nothing's happening in here and it's not moving at all, it could be a clogged impeller. So that's pretty easy to get in there and clean out. But beyond that, it could be the motor. But if you have any questions about Dolphin pool cleaners or anything pool or spa related, visit us over at INYOPools.com. Thanks for watching.